What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to design this minimalistic can in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Open the Photoshop file from the folder. Depending on your PC's performance, it might take a moment to load. Once Photoshop is up and running, you'll see a cool minimalistic can mockup file. This tutorial will guide you through customizing it for your own artwork. Let's start by going to the Layer section on the right-hand side of your Photoshop interface. Find this smart object and double-click on it. This opens a new tab featuring a canvas with a placeholder image. You can ignore this placeholder for now. Instead, drag and drop your artwork onto the canvas. You will want to adjust your artwork so it fits well within the dimensions of the existing canvas. This step is crucial for ensuring your design looks seamless on the can mockup. Adjust the size of your image and add a text if you want to. This step might take some time depending on which design you're trying to apply. It's generally a good idea to use a design with a transparent background, such as a PNG file. Once you've placed and adjusted your artwork, press Enter on your keyboard. Then, look for an eye icon at the bottom right corner of the window and click on it to hide the previous placeholder layer. It might take a second to load, and then use the Ctrl and S shortcut to save your current file. Use Command and S on a Mac. You can then head back to the original Photoshop file of the previous tab to see that it automatically applied the design change. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting the project with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.